didn't buy that. My password's been hacked! Getting hacked isn't just about losing your password anymore. When someone breaks into one of your accounts, they can access everything. Your bank, your email, your entire digital life. The good news? Two-factor authentication prevents exactly this kind of attack. Even if hackers get your password, they can't access your account without those 6-digit codes.
Meaning we can't access it?
But here's the problem most people don't think about until it's too late. What happens when your Authenticator app crashes, your phone breaks, or you switch devices? You're locked out of your most important accounts with no way back in. There are loads of 2FA apps out there, but most of them create this exact problem. Your codes get trapped on one device. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Proton Authenticator, the 2FA app that protects you from hackers and never locks you out of your account. Let's be honest about the problem with most Authenticator apps. They're single points of failure.
You can avoid a single point of failure.
Your codes are trapped on one device. If that device breaks, gets stolen, or you switch devices, then you're locked out of everything. And I mean everything. Your bank, your email, your work accounts, your social media. Sure, you can go through account recovery for each service, but that takes days or weeks. Some services make it nearly impossible. What you need is an authenticator that works across all your devices, backs up your code securely, and gives you control of your entire digital life. That's exactly what Proton Authenticator does differently. Let's get you set up. First, you need to download Proton Authenticator for your devices. Head to proton.me and click on Proton Authenticator. Then download it for your platform. It's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. I recommend installing it on at least 2 devices right away, your phone and your computer. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see a clean, simple interface with an option to start adding your first 2FA code. If you're already using another Authenticator app, you don't want to lose those codes. Proton Authenticator makes it easy to import them. If you don't have any codes yet, tap or click Import Codes. Or you can tap or click Settings, then Import. You'll see a list of popular Authenticator apps. Select the one you're currently using. Proton Authenticator will show you step-by-step instructions for exporting codes from your current app. Each app is different, so follow the specific instructions for yours. Most apps will let you export as a CSV file or QR codes. If your app only exports via QR codes, like Google Authenticator, you won't be able to export without a secondary device with a camera. Some apps, unfortunately, don't allow exporting at all. You'll need to manually re-add your codes to Proton Authenticator. It's a bit of work now, but it's worth it for the security and flexibility you'll gain. Once you've exported your codes, importing them into Proton Authenticator is pretty straightforward. From the instructions menu, tap Import and select your file. Proton Authenticator will import all your codes at once. For apps that require a QR code, tap Import and then scan the QR code with your camera. Again, you'll need a secondary device to scan the QR codes. Within seconds, all your codes will be imported and ready to use, and you can immediately start generating 2FA codes for all your accounts. If you're starting from scratch or you need to manually re-add your codes to Proton Authenticator, the process is also pretty straightforward. Simply tap Create New Code and then scan the site or application's QR code to create a new authentication code, or you can set it up manually. If you've already imported codes, you can also tap the plus button and follow the same instructions. Now here's an optional step that many people find helpful: setting up cross-device sync. But first, let me be clear. Proton Authenticator works perfectly without this. Some people prefer to keep their 2FA separate from any online account, and that's totally fine. But if you want the convenience of having your codes available on multiple devices, here's how to set that up. In Settings, tap Sync Between Devices. You'll be prompted to either log into your existing Proton account or create a new one. If you don't have a Proton account, creating one is free and just takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, the sync toggle will switch on automatically. Now, any code you add on one device, will instantly appear on all your other devices where you're logged into Proton Authenticator. Finally, let's set up automatic backups so you never lose your codes. In Settings, you'll see a Backups toggle. Switch this on. If you're on an Apple device, your codes will automatically back up to iCloud. If you're on Android, you can choose where to store your backups and how often they're updated. I recommend setting backups to update daily. This way, if something happens to your devices, you can restore your codes quickly. Let's talk about security for a moment. Your 2FA codes are incredibly sensitive. They're literally the keys to your most important accounts. Proton Authenticator uses the same end-to-end encryption that protects Proton Mail and all our other services. Your codes are encrypted on your device before they're synced or backed up. For added protection, you can also set up secure access with biometrics. And with Proton Authenticator, you can always access your codes offline. This means no one can access your codes. Not hackers, not the government, not even Proton. Plus, Proton Authenticator is completely open source. Anyone can verify we're doing exactly what we say we're doing. No hidden backdoors, no secret data collection. Your digital life depends on 2FA codes. Don't wait until your phone breaks or your Authenticator app fails to think about this. Set up Proton Authenticator today while you still have access to everything. Two-factor authentication should make your life more secure, not more complicated. If this tutorial helped you secure your digital life, please like our video and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more Proton security tips. Got questions about Proton Authenticator? Drop them in the comments below or join our community on Reddit. Stay secure out there.